Welcome, fellow travelers. Let's embark on an extraordinary journey, a journey through time, a journey to uncover the origins of life itself. Where did we come from? How did life emerge from the non-living? These are questions that have captivated humanity for centuries. The universe is vast and ancient. Our planet, a tiny oasis in the cosmic desert, is teeming with life. From the smallest microbes to the largest whales, life is everywhere. But how did it all begin? The answer, my friends, lies in the distant past. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of science. We'll explore the leading theories, the groundbreaking experiments, and the enduring mysteries surrounding the origin of life. Get ready to have your mind blown. Our journey begins billions of years ago, in a time before our sun ignited. The universe was a different place then. It was a chaotic soup of particles and energy. But within this chaos, the seeds of life were sown. Imagine a universe filled with stars. Each star is a giant furnace, churning out elements. These elements are the building blocks of everything we know. Carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, all forged in the hearts of stars. When stars die, they explode. These explosions scatter the elements across space. Like cosmic dust, they drift for eons. Eventually, they clump together, forming new stars, planets, and even life. Our own solar system formed from such a cloud of stardust. The Earth, still young and hot, was a cauldron of molten rock and volcanic gases. But something remarkable was about to happen. The early Earth's atmosphere was very different from today's. It was a toxic mix of methane, ammonia, and other gases. There was no oxygen to breathe, and yet, in this seemingly inhospitable environment, life found a way. How did life arise from non-living matter? This is the fundamental question at the heart of our exploration. Scientists call it abiogenesis. It's a mystery that continues to puzzle us. One of the leading theories is called the Primordial Soup hypothesis. Imagine warm, shallow pools of water on early Earth. These pools were rich in organic molecules. They were like a primordial soup, brimming with the ingredients for life. But how did these simple molecules assemble themselves into something as complex as a living cell? That's where things get really interesting. Scientists believe that energy from lightning, volcanoes, or even the sun itself provided the spark. This energy, they believe, could have triggered chemical reactions. These reactions would have caused the molecules in the primordial soup to combine in new and complex ways. Over millions of years, these simple molecules could have formed larger, more complex structures. Eventually, these structures became the building blocks of the first cells. Let's dive deeper into this primordial soup. Imagine a world without plants or animals. The only life forms were microscopic and single-celled. They were simple, but they had something extraordinary they could replicate. These early life forms were like tiny factories. They took in energy from their surroundings and used it to make copies of themselves. This process of replication is the essence of life. It's what allows life to continue and evolve. But the primordial soup wasn't a static environment. It was constantly changing. Volcanoes erupted, spewing hot lava and gases. Meteorites bombarded the planet, delivering new elements and molecules. These changes created new opportunities for life to adapt and diversify. Some organisms developed the ability to use sunlight for energy, paving the way for photosynthesis. Others learned to consume other organisms, leading to the rise of predators and prey. Section 5. The Miller-Urey Experiment, recreating the past. In the 1950s, two scientists named Stanley Miller and Harold Urey designed a groundbreaking experiment. They wanted to recreate the conditions of early Earth in the lab. Their experiment was simple but ingenious. They filled a sealed flask with water, methane, ammonia, and hydrogen. These gases were thought to be present in Earth's early atmosphere. Then they simulated lightning by passing electrical sparks through the mixture. The results were astonishing. After just a few days, the water in the flask turned a murky brown. When they analyzed the contents, they found that the experiment had produced amino acids. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins, which are essential for life. The Miller-Urey experiment demonstrated that organic molecules could be synthesized under early Earth conditions. It provided the first experimental evidence that the building blocks of life could be synthesized from inorganic matter under early Earth conditions. It was a major breakthrough in the study of the origin of life. Section 6. Life from the depths. Hydrothermal vents. While the primordial soup hypothesis is widely accepted, it's not the only game in town. Some scientists believe that life may have originated in a completely different environment. Hydrothermal vents. Hydrothermal vents are fissures in the ocean floor where hot mineral-rich water spews out from the Earth's interior. These vents are home to a unique and thriving ecosystem. But what's even more intriguing is that these vents may have been present on early Earth. Scientists have discovered that hydrothermal vents release chemicals that can be used by microbes as a source of energy. This suggests that life could have originated in these vents, completely independent of sunlight. This hydrothermal vent hypothesis is gaining traction among scientists. It offers a compelling alternative to the primordial soup theory. It's possible that life on Earth may have emerged from the depths of the ocean, not on the sunlit surface. Section 7. The RNA World Hypothesis. A precursor to DNA? We've talked about the building blocks of life, but what about the blueprint? All living things on Earth rely on DNA to store and transmit genetic information. But DNA is a complex molecule. How did it come to be? Some scientists believe that RNA, a simpler molecule than DNA, may have played a crucial role in the origin of life. RNA can store genetic information like DNA, but it can also act as an enzyme, catalyzing chemical reactions. This has led to the RNA World Hypothesis, which suggests that RNA, not DNA, was the primary carrier of genetic information in early life. Over time, DNA, with its greater stability, may have evolved from RNA and eventually taken over the role of genetic storage. The RNA World Hypothesis is still under debate, but it offers a plausible explanation for how the complex machinery of DNA-based life could have arisen from simpler beginnings. It's a fascinating piece of the puzzle in our quest to understand the origin of life. Section 8. The building blocks of life from stardust to cells. Let's step back for a moment and appreciate the incredible journey that life has taken. From the fiery hearts of stars to the depths of the ocean, the ingredients for life were forged and assembled. Simple molecules formed in the vastness of space or in the depths of our planet became the building blocks of more complex structures. These structures, guided by the laws of physics and chemistry, eventually gave rise to the first cells. The emergence of life was not a single event, but rather a gradual process. It was a series of steps, each building upon the last, and each step was driven by the relentless engine of evolution. Over billions of years, life on Earth has diversified and evolved into the incredible array of organisms we see today. From the smallest microbes to the largest whales, every living thing is connected by the unbroken thread of heredity. Section 9. The search for extraterrestrial life. Are we alone? The search for the origin of life is not just a journey through time, it's also a journey outward, into the vastness of space. If life could arise on Earth, could it have arisen elsewhere in the cosmos? The universe is filled with billions and billions of stars, many of which are orbited by planets. Scientists believe that some of these planets may have conditions suitable for life. The search for extraterrestrial life, or SETI, is one of the most profound scientific endeavors of our time. Discovering even the simplest form of life beyond Earth would revolutionize our understanding of our place in the universe. We live in an age of incredible discovery. With powerful telescopes and space probes, we are exploring the cosmos like never before. The search for life beyond Earth is a testament to our innate curiosity and our desire to understand the universe and our place within it. Section 10. The ongoing quest, unraveling the mysteries. The study of the origin of life is an ongoing journey of discovery. While we have made remarkable progress in understanding the early Earth and the building blocks of life, many mysteries remain. How did the first cells form? What were the exact conditions that led to the emergence of life? And perhaps most importantly, are we alone in the universe? Scientists are constantly developing new technologies and conducting groundbreaking research to answer these questions. The study of ancient rocks, the analysis of meteorites, and the exploration of other planets are all providing valuable clues to the origin of life. The quest to understand our origins is a journey that will continue to inspire and challenge us for generations to come. It is a journey that reminds us of the interconnectedness of all things and the profound beauty and mystery of the universe we inhabit. Section 11. Join the exploration. Subscribe and stay curious. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey through time and space. The search for the origin of life is a story that is still being written. And you, my friends, are a part of it. Never stop asking questions. Never stop exploring. The universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and share this video with your friends. Let's keep the conversation going and keep exploring the cosmos together. Stay curious.